A miniature turbofan engine model kit is a scale representation of a real turbofan engine, designed for educational purposes, hobbyists and enthusiasts interested in aviation technology. Here are the key features and aspects of such a model kit. Components and assembly. The kit typically includes a detailed set of parts that mimic the actual components of a turbofan engine, such as the fan, compressor, combustion chamber, turbine, and exhaust sections. Assembly usually involves snapping or screwing parts together, often requiring no glue. Some advanced kits might include tiny screws, bolts, and other fasteners for a more authentic build experience. 6+ source. Materials. The parts are often made from high-quality plastic or metal to ensure durability and a realistic appearance. Some kits may also include clear plastic sections to show the internal workings of the engine. 6+ source. 7+ source. Functionality. While the engine model is not operational in terms of producing thrust, many kits are designed to demonstrate the basic principles of turbofan operation. This might include moving parts driven by a small electric motor to show how air flows through the engine. 7+ source. Some models include LED lights or sound modules to simulate the engine's operation further. 6+ source. Educational value. These kits are excellent for educational purposes, providing hands-on experience with the components and functions of a turbofan engine. They are often used in classrooms, museums, and by aviation enthusiasts to teach and learn about aerospace engineering and mechanics. 6+ source. Instruction manuals typically include detailed explanations of each component and its role in the engine's operation, making it a comprehensive learning tool. 7+ source. Detail and accuracy. High-quality kits are noted for their attention to detail, often including intricate parts that closely resemble their real-life counterparts. This can include accurate representations of the fan blades, turbine discs, and even the internal structure of the combustion chamber. 6+ source. 7+ source. Popular brands and models. Several manufacturers produce these kits with varying levels of complexity and detail. Popular brands include Revell, Airfix, and Edward, each offering different scales and types of engines. 7+ source. Some kits are based on specific engine models used in well-known aircraft, such as the General Electric GE90 or the Rolls-Royce Trent series. 6+ source. Pricing and availability. Prices can range widely depending on the complexity, size, and level of detail of the kit. Simple kits for beginners might cost around $30, $50, while highly detailed models can go up to several $100s. 6+ source.